How to log in Merrick Bank Credit Card account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Merrick Bank Credit Card account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. And at the top search bar, type in www.merrickbank.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your credit card account, click on the customer login on your top right. As you do so, you can select the option that says a credit card from the first drop-down menu and enter your username at the first box. As you do so, enter your password at the box below. In case you would like the site to remember your user ID, then check the box that says Remember Me. And if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.